In this video, I will put you through on how to get LinkedIn profile link. All right. This is usually demanded when you are setting up accounts on some websites. Example, fintech website like PayOwner and GigPay. And sometimes when you want to set up accounts on some self-publishing platforms like Amazon KDP and freelancing platforms. So today I will put you through on how to get your profile link and then copy and paste it in where it is needed. All right, in just easy steps. I'll walk you through on how to do this using a computer and also how to do this using a smartphone. Let's get right into it. Getting your LinkedIn profile link requires you to access the platform through the web, all right, and not with the mobile app. So let's get into that. So I'll open my Chrome browser. All right, I have my browser in incognito mode. So I will just type LinkedIn, all right. Then I'll click on the first option. All right, so it requires us to type in the email address or phone number and password. So do yours from your own end, okay? Which after click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will be landed on a page that looks like this. This is your profile picture here. All right. This is your profile as well. So click on this. You are taken to a page that looks like this. Okay. So we choose few of your details, all right, including activity and the rest of the informations. But the interest here is for us to copy your profile link. All right. So what you need to do is click here for all these to be selected. Then you copy it. You can use Ctrl C to copy it, or you can right click and select copy option. So once you copy this, get to your notepad and paste it. Or if you're already on the page requesting that you should insert the link, just go and paste it here, there, all right? Maybe you're trying to create an account on Amazon KDP or any fintech platform like PayOwner or GigPay. Just go there, paste the link, and you are good. All right. But here, let me just paste in my notepad to use it in future. All right. So my own link is pasted here. Alternatively, you can still try this out using a web browser that is installed on your phone. All right. As an iPhone user, I will be using Safari browser. So I'll tap on the app for it to open. New tab. All right. Now that the app has opened, I will type LinkedIn. All right. LinkedIn.com. I'll search. Now I'm taken to this page. So I like having this in web view or desktop view depending on the browser time you are using. So I'll tap on this A and then select request desktop website. All right, now the next step is to sign in. So tap on sign in button. Then type your email address and password and click on sign in. The reason for using mobile is for those that do not have laptops. All right. So once you sign in here, you will see your profile picture. Tap on that profile picture of yours. Then this takes you to this page. All right. The next step you need to take is to tap on this place we have the linkedin.com. All right. So there are still other links attached to it. So tap there. Good. You can see everything is selected. You may need to long press on it until you see copy option. But if you cannot see that, double tap on it again and then click and select, double tap on it again and then until you see these options here, then you go with select all. Once everything is highlighted, tap on copy. Okay? It's as simple as that. So go and paste it where you want to use it. So whether on phone or on laptop or computer, you can do the same thing. It's as simple as that. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we teach technology which cuts across so many areas, including how to use iPhone, how to use Android smartphones, YouTube education, self-publishing, and how to use different computers. All are under tech. So subscribe to learn more and grow in knowledge. All right. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? You encountered problem when you are trying to do it? Just let me know what you have to say in the comment section, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, the one that points up like this, okay? So that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If you don't do that, there's no how the system knows that this is a helpful content. So help this channel by doing so. To learn more on how to complete some other tasks that has to do with social media, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.